Proper storage and handling of GFRP rebar. Proper storage and handling of GFRP rebar are essential to maintaining its durability and performance. Today, we'll cover the best practices. Store GFRP rebar off the ground on elevated racks to avoid contact with soil or moisture. Keep it sheltered from prolonged exposure to sunlight and away from heavy loads to prevent structural damage. When handling GFRP rebar, avoid dragging it across abrasive surfaces, which can damage the resin coating. Workers should wear gloves to prevent injury and protect the rebar from oils and debris. Following these storage and handling guidelines will ensure your GFRP rebar stays in top condition until it's ready for installation. Visit our channel for more GFRP rebar care tips.